Israel Adesanya, in his last post-fight interview against Paula Costa, he talked about increasing the percentage cut of a purse of a fighter if he misses weight. He said that there should, I think, for right now, it's 30% cut of their purse if a fighter misses weight. So he talked about increasing that from 30% to 90%. And I mean, it's not, he's not wrong because at some point the weight plays a factor in the fight. If you didn't cut weight and means like you are more refreshed, you are more, you have more water in the body. You didn't your body didn't went through something that your opponent's body went through. So you have an advantage if you have an advantage if you didn't cut the weight, like you didn't cut the whole weight. So he's not wrong. And he said that these fighters are making money outside the octagon, so they, like, from 30% or 90% doesn't matter to them. I mean, it's not true for all the fighters. For some fighters it matters, but yeah, for majority of the fighters it doesn't matter, because yes, they are doing something outside the, they're doing something outside the octagon also, and it gives them an advantage if they didn't cut the weight properly. And this is just one thing. There are lots of things which we should look at to improve MMA. This is just one thing. There are, like, for several years, Joe Rogan has been talking about increasing the number of judges in the fight, so you can take the average of their, average of their scoring of the fight. There should be around six to six, from six up to 10 judges, so you can take average. And there should be replays. Like, we're still struggling to, to look at replays. You can't look at replays in between the fights. And because of that, like, referee is also a human being. He can't look at everything. There have been several occasions where referee missed a illegal shot, or he made a wrong decision and stopped the fight. There have been several occasions like that, and it had cost some fighters a lot of money, and sometimes it had cost fighters the championship belt. So we have to look at it. The commission has to look at it, and they should improve it. The sport of MMA is growing now. It's growing like nothing else. This is one of the most exciting sports right now in, like, it all over the world. You can look at any country and there will be fans of MMA in that country, be it be it the smallest country or the largest country. So you have to, when a sport is this big, you have to, you have to make changes in it. You have to make changes in it, and you should improve it so that it can be fair for everyone. Like, some fighters, bread and butter comes from this. And if a referee's decision costs them a fight, then it can be disastrous for them. Like, they could lose money. Their next fight, maybe they won't get for new fight offers. Maybe they won't get new, maybe they won't get new contract. So it can be very very disastrous for fighters. So to improve all of this, the commission should look at it. The commission should look ways to improve the sport, to make it more transparent. Like, this is really, if you think about it, you can't even look at a replay between the fights. Like, how crazy is this? How can a human being makes decisions so quickly and see, like, every move and every little thing he can watch? I mean, he can't. Referee can't do all of this, and we are seeing it now. We are, due to, like, technologies, like, after the fight we can watch the fight, we can replay the fight as many times and as we want, and we see these things happening. Like, referee missed some illegal knees or illegal shot to the groin area and all of these things. So there should be replays. There should be replays for this. And this is just one thing. There are lots of areas where we can improve the sport, and it would be great not only for fighters, but it will make the sport more interesting. So that would also be great for the fans. So that was a good point that Adesanya talked about, and it was really cool for of him to talk about these things at after his win. Like that was a very cool thing by Adesanya. So like we should like this is high time that we should think about all of these things. Like when UFC, Dana White and Fertitta brothers bought the UFC, they made changes in the sport. Before them, before they bought the UFC, the there were no rules. We can say like there were no rules. You can like soccer kick was illegal and all of those things. But after they bought the UFC, they changed the rules, and that's why UFC is this big. That's why the sport of mixed martial arts is this big because of them, because they made the changes to make it more suitable for the viewers to watch it, to make it more exciting, more competitive. And that's what we should do now. This is like MMA is bigger than boxing right now, and this is the perfect time to make some changes and to improve it more. But let's see if commissions think about it or not.